If you're starting a print-on-demand business in Africa, or you're already printing but you're not sure what actually sells here in Africa, then this video is for you. Because what sells in Africa is not always the same as what sells in Europe or America today in 2026. I'm breaking down the top 10 most popular print-on-demand merchandise ideas that work specifically in Africa. These are products Africans buy, products Africans reorder, products Africans use every day. So without further ado, let's get into it. We'll be right back. Hi guys, welcome back to the Print Haven. My name is Eni, and in this video, we're talking about the top 10 print-on-demand merchandise ideas specifically for Africa. Now, how print-on-demand works in Africa. Let's just get into it. Before we get into the list, you need to understand one thing in Africa. Print-on-demand thrives because of three major factors: the gifting culture of the African people, the event culture of the African people, and the community identity of people living in Africa. People buy print-on-demand products to celebrate, to belong, and to be remembered. If your product fits any of these three, it will definitely sell. Now, let's talk about the top 10. Number 1. Custom t-shirts. So custom t-shirts are the number 1 print-on-demand product in Africa. They sell for birthdays, they sell for church programs, they sell for school programs. Children in school, they always, buy 1 or 2 t-shirts for their sports events, right? They sell for companies, they sell for political campaigns and family events. What works best is clean designs, right? When you are designing t-shirts for Africans, it has to be clean, right? Clear messages, right? Africans, they love having clear messages. You can't confuse an African man, okay? And meaningful text, right? If you put all those three together, you will definitely create a wonderful t-shirt for your print on demand. In Africa, people don't just wear t-shirts that represent something, okay? So let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is event souvenirs. Here in Africa, you must have heard, we love to throw parties, and events drive print-on-demand sales in Africa. Whether it's birthdays, weddings, burials, naming ceremonies, conferences, church anniversaries, all of that, all those parties, they need customized souvenirs. Those customized souvenirs are a must, right? Because people here in Africa, they want something they can take home and remember the event by, And this category brings in bulk orders for all printers, right? And repeat customers. So if you're into a printing business, souvenirs is something you definitely have to look into as products for your print-on-demand business. Okay, so number 3. Custom mugs and tumblers. Mugs and tumblers are extremely popular in Africa. They are affordable, useful, and easy to personalize. They sell well for offices, teachers, corporate gifts, and personal gifting. A mug with a name or message goes a long way here in Africa because we have very humid atmosphere. It's very hot around here. So a lot of people, they use their tumblers, they use their mugs to just get some water all the time. So that is why that sells here in Africa. That's a product you must have as a printer. So number 4, print-on-demand journals and notebooks, okay? So this is a particular wonderful product for Africa because journals sell very well in Africa. People buy them for church, school, businesses, planning, and personal growth. Branded notebooks are also popular for companies, right? And training programs. They are easy to customize and very practical. So in Africa, we use a lot of journals. We jot things down. They are very practical stuff, okay? So that is one product you must consider if you are getting into the print-on-demand business. Number 5, custom face caps and hats. Now, like I said before, the sun in Africa is actually, very high. So caps are simple but very powerful in Africa. They are used for branding events, associations, group identity, one logo, one phrase, one clean design. That cap is going to sell very, very fast. So if you're selling a face cap, you have a clean logo, you have a clean design, and, majorly caps are easy to produce, and it helps, protect us Africans from the sun. So we sell a lot of caps. Okay, number 6 product is tote bags and shopping bags. Africans, we like to go to the market, we like to do some shopping. So tote bags work extremely well in the African market. They're practical, reusable, and affordable. They are popular for church programs. They are also popular for corporate branding, for schools and events giveaways. Eco-friendly designs and bold branding perform best when it comes to tote bags and selling those tote bags in Africa. Number 7, hoodies and sweatshirts. Hoodies are a premium product here in Africa. They cost more, but they also sell for more. They are popular among the youth, right? They are popular among brands. They're popular with schools as well. Cardigans where you go to school. There is Harmattan period. There is the raining season. So you need those hoodies and those cardigans here in Africa. If you're African and you're enjoying this video, please remember to leave us a like and subscribe. Okay, now number 8, branded corporate merch. Now, corporate merchandise is a big opportunity here in Africa. Companies need branded items for staff, for their events, for promotions and onboarding. So if a new employee is coming in, they need to onboard, think notebooks, think t-shirts, think caps, think gift sets as well, like gifting sets, right? A set of gifts that you give to your employee or someone in the company. So once a company trusts you, right, and they keep reordering and they reorder, this category brings stability to your printing business. Number 9, church and faith-based merchandise. Okay, so now whether it's a t-shirt or whatever it is, journals, mug, faith plays a huge role in Africa, from churches to mosques and to our various traditional people as well. T-shirts, mugs, and souvenirs for programs and conferences to faith-based merchandise sell consistently and in bulk. So if you're in the printing business, you must have faith-based clothing, faith-based, anything, basically anything. This is a strong niche that many printers actually overlook. Okay, now number 10, this is school association merch. So whether it's school alumni groups or associations, they need print-on-demand products, whether it's uniforms, whether it's graduation souvenirs, whether it's club merchandise. These groups buy in volume, they buy in bulk, and often return every single year, and this can become long-term business. So you need to have something for the people in schools, okay? How to choose what to start with, okay? You don't need all 10 to start, right? Pick 3 to 5 based on your location, your equipment, and your audience. In Africa, products that are practical, affordable, and meaningful sell the fastest, okay? Start small, deliver quality, build trust, and then the quantity that you deliver begins to grow, and that is going to grow your revenue here in Africa. To bring this video to a close, I must tell you, print on demand works in Africa because people value community, they value celebration, and they value identity. If you choose the right products, you will sell print-on-demand products here in Africa. If this video has helped you, remember, you can like us, like this video right now. Please subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we make videos like this, you will be the first to be notified. Until next time, my name is Eni, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.